Why is bookkeeping the essential step in your business financial process? Why do we offer bookkeeping services? Here's why. 10 years ago, accounting firms were getting rid of their bookkeeping departments. They were selling them, they were making them obsolete because bookkeeping was meant to be a dying stage of the process. Bookkeeping is actually essential and still is and will continue to be relevant. Bookkeeping gives us the data on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, a micro basis, so that us as accountants can have real conversations with you. Every day, I'm calling clients, I'm on the phone to them, they're calling me, and we're having conversations. I log into their Xero file, we talk about their business, about their payroll, what about if we did this, what about that, where are we at? I can have those conversations straight away because their data is in front of me. Their data is in front of me because their bookkeeping is up to date. Sure, it might not be up to date to the day. It might only get done once a month. But even so, if it was done at the end of last month and there's so many transactions, I can scroll through the bank feed and see if there's any major income or expenditure that's happened that hasn't been coded. But having that access to that data there allows me to have those conversations with the client then. I don't need them to log a call, go, hey Gary, I'll get back to you next week once I've had a look at your file. A week later, I give them a call back. Then another week, something else happens. We can have actual conversations now. So when the client gets off the phone from me, they feel fulfilled. They feel as though we've had an outcome. They can go away and make decisions, implement something or not implement something. They feel as though they've had an actual result from that phone call. And that's as a result of bookkeeping. It's as a result of an accountant doing bookkeeping and having confidence in that file. So when I log into the Xero file, I know that our team have certain standards and quality assurance checks that I know the data I'm looking at is accurate. So I can have that confidence of the data that I'm using to have the conversation with my client. Not many accountants can say that. Not many business owners can say that. Most accountants just have a high level approach, which is fine. It's great. Great for certain things. A high level approach doesn't give you that confidence in those figures you're talking about. You're gonna have high level conversations, which still has great outcomes, but it's not relevant to every conversation. I have some clients call me twice a week about different matters, more. Imagine if you could have those conversations with your accountant. What sort of outcomes are you gonna have? Or if you're a client of mine, have those conversations with me. So I challenge you this. If you're a current client of mine, be sure to keep these phone calls up. I bet that you can see the value in them. If you're not a client of mine and you have an accountant, talk to them. See if you can have these conversations with them. Otherwise, reach out to me and we can have those conversations together and make your business a little bit better. If this video got you thinking a little bit more about your business and its processes, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. And also check out these other videos of mine.